Hello, this is Ms. Melchor, and this video is to show you how to set up your notebook so that it can be organized and you can be successful in my history class. I requested that you have an 8.5 by 11. That makes it easier to fit all your work, but if you have a smaller notebook, that's fine too. I asked that you had a 1 subject or a 5 subject that can last you the whole year. If you run out of pages in your notebook, you will have to get a new one and you will have to bring all your notebooks with you. Okay, let's get started. When you first open your notebook, you're going to number it page 1 and you're going to add history, resources, table of contents. You're going to add 12 assignments and you're going to number them R1 to R12. The R stands for resources because we will be going back to these pages throughout the whole year. You can pause here if you want to copy these down. When you turn the page, you will have R1. In our history notebook, we do not skip any pages. We use back and front. R1 is your syllabus. To glue down your syllabus, you will fold down here, you add a stripe of glue, and you stick it to your page. If your notebook is small, then you fold it in half, you add the glue here, and you glue it this way. You don't want any of your pages to be sticking out of your notebook. The next page is R2. You're going to glue this flat down by adding 5 dots of glue and gluing it this way. If your notebook is small, you're going to add 5 dots of glue and you'll glue it facing this way. Your next page is R3. You're going to glue this one by folding it in half. You're going to go to the empty side, you're going to add 5 dots of glue and you'll stick it this way. As you can see, you are able to open this up and you're haven't glued down any of the information. Your next page is your rubric, R4. We're going to glue this one flat down, or if your notebook is too small, you'll add the 5 dots of glue and you'll stick it this way. Next is R5, which is group roles. You're going to glue this one flat down, or you fold it in half, you add 5 dots of glue and you stick it this way. R6 is the sentence starters. R6 has an area that says fold and glue, so you're going to fold it. You'll add your 5 dots of glue and you're going to glue it this way into your notebook. You should be able to open it up and see both sides without covering any of the information. R7 is your nerd strategy. There's an area that says fold and glue here. So you're going to fold it, you're going to add 5 dots of glue, and you're going to stick it into your notebook. When you open it up, you should be able to see the notes and the map without covering the information. Your next page is going to be numbered R8. The next page is R9. We're going to come back to these pages. And then you have R10. 7th grade, you do not have this page here, but you will be getting this soon. To glue this one down, we fold the little tab over, right? We added glue and we stuck it into the notebook, right? You should be able to flip it up and see both sides without covering any of the information. If your notebook is too small, you have the tab, you open it, you fold it in half, and you only glue 1/2 of the tab, and you stick it this way. That way you are able to open it and you are able to flip it up right in your notebook. So you only glue half. Okay, R11 is your pre-course quiz. Alright, 6th grade, you're going to glue it flat down. 7th grade, yours is double-sided, so you're going to have to add a little stripe of glue on top of question 7, and you fold it and stick it into your notebook. So you fold it to make it fit so that you don't cover any of the information and you can see all the questions. Okay. R12 is your map with some notes. You want to make sure you fold this all the way down till you get to the glue here area. You're going to add glue and put it on the top of the page. Once you glue it down, you'll be able to open it and see all of the notes nice and neat until you get to the continents. Then you can fold it back up and it's awesome. Okay, so R12 is the last page, so please remember to add your titles, highlight the titles, have the date and the day, and have the page number on all of your pages. The end.